Hey everyone, and welcome back. One of the most popular things people search online is for whether Tai Lopez is a scammer or not. Some people want to know how he made money, whether they will actually get the products they purchased, or whether he just acts about being a business owner. Today we're going to be discussing whether Tai Lopez is a scam. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so you don't miss out on the discussion on whether Tai Lopez is a scam. Tai Lopez is an internet celebrity at this point, who poured a lot of money into a YouTube campaign, which successfully exploded. He is now a multi-millionaire from his internet business with a net worth of $6 million. Many individuals have heard the name Tai Lopez. Many have heard of him because of the various educational courses he sells or through his social media platforms. The main reason why Tai Lopez is so well known is because of the success he has made for himself through selling different courses that ensure individuals that it will help them succeed and change their life for the better. These different courses include different topics, such as social media, real estate, and other business-related courses. Tai Lopez markets his courses to make individuals believe that it will help them reach success if they purchase his courses. This has deceived and tricked many people into buying his courses to find out that the information he provided could have been found out for free online or through educational YouTube videos. That is why it is of the highest importance for individuals to conduct their own due diligence before purchasing any course. This is the key to saving your own money. Business courses sold by Tai Lopez can range anywhere from $500 to $7,000. It is suggested that you search for and read reviews such as the Tai Lopez review to learn about what other individuals had to say about the courses. We will be sharing more on Tai Lopez and his deceptive practices later on in this video. Tai Lopez, 67 Steps to Success. You may wonder why his course is called the 67 Steps to Success, because this course created by Tai Lopez is meant as a motivational course. Tai Lopez created this course as steps he recommends for individuals to take to reach success. Essentially, this course is a motivational course that encourages people to start their own business and to be successful. Based on real reviews, not the ones that are being bought, the course doesn't seem worth $67 a month. Many people have suggested that cheaper and some free alternatives to this course, including TED Talks, Shark Tank, and watching inspirational and motivational YouTube videos, may be the way to go. We don't suggest or recommend that individuals purchase this course. Save your money and find the same or similar content on several other free platforms. Tai Lopez Accelerator Program. Tai Lopez's course, called the Accelerator Program, was specifically designed for individuals who want to pursue a business career or build their own business. There is an application individuals must fill out to determine what program level you will be assigned to within the course. You can be assigned 3 levels: the Money Program, Entrepreneurial Program, or the Persuasion Program, with each of these programs teaching different things to help your business based on what you filled out on the application. Going into detail about these 3-level programs, the Money Program teaches individuals how to manage their finances. The Entrepreneurial Program is meant to teach individuals how to build a business of their own, while the Persuasion Program is meant to teach about investment, money, and expand their business. The application to determine what program you should focus on to help your business costs $997, nearly $1,000 to enroll in this course. Is the $997 really worth it? The answer to this question based on the other reviews is a hard no. Many of the topics that Lopez teaches within each of these programs can be searched through the web. Much of the content is textbook-based, and individuals can learn about these topics through various educational videos or by reading it through different books. Tai Lopez makes his money by selling these courses and claiming its course content can help you succeed. We are not denying that the content would not help you in your pursuit of creating a business. We are merely stating that the content he shares can be found for free online. There is no need to waste your money buying this information that can be found for free through the web. Do yourself a big favor and do not buy this course. Use that money directly towards your current or future business. Mentor Box. Probably the most popular product Tai has created so far is the Mentor Box. It's a subscription service and claims to give you the knowledge of multiple books directly from renowned experts. Seems like a great deal, right? It isn't. Mentor Box is one of the biggest online scams out there, but you can't figure this out simply by watching the deceptive advertisement that Tai and his team have put together. Mentor Box has been exposed several times by many experts. It's filled with garbage, which it kind of is, but it's because it's filled with crappy upsells and horrible money-back guarantees. Signing up to Mentor Box costs around $60 a year, or around $7 a month depending on the offer you take. They continuously run numerous offers and discounts on these subscriptions, marketing them as if they're available for a limited time only to create urgency. The truth is that these discount offers are always there in one form or the other. Another issue with MentorBox is the amount of upsells that's been encountered there. Tai and his company keep spamming with offers and deals on their products. If you don't know what upselling means, according to Google, persuade a customer to buy something additional or more expensive. So there you go. This is just shady marketing, and that's why MentorBox isn't worth subscribing to. Affiliate programs. Tai Lopez has an affiliate program which is quite appealing. By promoting his products, you can earn up to 50% of its price, which is a ton of money considering his programs are very expensive. Many people are already using this offer and promoting Tai's products all over the internet without even trying the products themselves. And if people are promoting his products after using it, they are utterly dumb, or really new to the self-help industry. There are many selfish people in the world who only want to convince people to give them money. They don't care if they have to lie or deceive. Unfortunately, Tai Lopez is one such person, and it's better to stay away from him than give him a chance. And we don't even know how much he pays the sponsored blogs to write good stuff about him. It's possibly in millions of dollars. He has robbed many people by taking money out of their credit cards without authorization and not refunding it. It's just too unsafe to trust him now. As a digital entrepreneur, Tai has released plenty of informational products. Having such a huge collection of products has helped him in generating a high income for himself, and his dubious marketing strategies have helped him in promoting his various products effectively. Checking through his products, a distinct theme can be noticed among them. Many people are scammed and manipulated into buying courses that claim it will change their lives or improve their businesses. Don't be the one to fall for it. It's important for the people here to conduct their own due diligence before spending their precious money on something that is simply not worth it. Purchasing courses that give information that can be found on free platforms is essentially like throwing your money in the trash. You are giving money to people such as Tai Lopez and making them even more wealthy by falling for their clever marketing tactics. It's important that you conduct heavy-duty research before purchasing any course. It is sometimes difficult to not get scammed into purchasing courses nowadays, as seen through the Tai Lopez scam. He pays for people to write positive reviews about his courses to trick people into buying them. Be cautious and aware of the fake reviews. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!